Hi, hello, dear students. How are you? I hope so. You are doing great. This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel, Math Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to teach the various levels of examinations regarding the maths, especially objective type. So, objective type of examinations, time is important. Within short time, you have to focus the more number of questions. Especially in maths, there are the plenty of the topic use syllabus. So you can come across the entire syllabus when you know the super tips and tricks. That is all I'm going to teach in my channel. So every topic, every question, I'm using the super crack the question within fraction of seconds. I'm using the super tips and tricks. Those are mostly helpful to you for your better progress in your final examinations to get the best and better ranks. Okay, in today's video, I'm start the one of the important topic. Already I did the 5 parts on this topic, that is simply definite integrations. And it is one of the major topic in your competitive level of examinations, especially JEE mains and MCET. So now I'm going to teach in today's video as a part 6 some base special types of functions. What are those? We'll discuss one by one. Are you ready? Yes, without delay, let's get started. I said to you in this today's video, I'm going to discuss about the different integrations as a part 6. Especially, I'm focusing in this part 6 modulus of real value functions. How can you crack its integrations? Modulus of what? Real valued function, that is simply mod function. To apply the modulus of the real value functions in case of integration, first you have to know what is a actual definition of modulus of real valued function. Modulus of real valued function simply, suppose it is denoted by, this is called as mod x. Mod x is defined in 3 stages. One is x when x is greater than 0, is 0 when x is equals to 0, second stage, and it is minus x when x is less than 0. This is definition of modulus of real valued function. Modulus of real valued function denoted by mod x. For every x belongs to R, it is true. Mod x is defined as x when x is greater than 0, is 0 when x is equals to 0, is minus x when x is less than 0. So, why are taking the 0? Why we are taking 0 only? Here major point, for what value of x this internal function becomes 0, that one you have to concentrate. Whatever may be function, this is mod x x is 0 only, this function becomes 0. At that point we have to concentrate. Okay, for example, if I give like this, mod x minus 1, mod x minus 1. Mod x minus 1 is defined as x minus 1 plus when x is greater than 1. Instead of 0, we have to use what here? 1. Because of at x is equal to 1 only, this function becomes 0. Clear? What is this point is? At this point only, this is called as point. At this point only, this function becomes 0. At that point, we have to catch. That is important. Mod x minus 1 is what? X minus 1 when x is greater than 1, is 0 when x is equals to 1, is a minus of x minus 1 when x is less than 1. Like that, we have to know the modulus of real valued function. Whatever may be function, here algebra functions, these are maybe trigonometry functions, logarithmic function, any type of function. For what value of x that internal part becomes 0, that point we have to concentrate. Clear? Now, for example, if I take like this, integral of cos x 0 to pi by 2, I am taking. You can observe that. Here, in between 0 to pi by 2, cos x is what? Clearly positive. I use a modulus here. Mod of cos x. See, it is in the form of mod x. What are the limits here? Here like this, we can apply the integrations. 0 to pi by 2. At what value of x cos x becomes 0? Yes, x is 90. In between the 0 to pi by 2, what is meaning of this is, here 0 is the lower limit, pi by 2 is upper limit. 0 to pi by 2 means what? The x range from 0 to pi by 2. In between 0 to pi by 2, what happened? Cos. Cos is, yes, positive. Means we can take, instead of the cos x modulus, we can take cos x between the limits 0 to pi by 2 dx. Then we can calculate it. Integral of cos x is sin x within the limits 0 to pi by 2. Here we can apply the upper limit sin 90 minus lower limit is 0, sin 0. Sin 90 value is 1, sin 0 is a 0. But this integral part, integral of mod cos x between the limit 0 to pi by 2 is 1. Same question, if I give like this, indirectly we can apply this also. Cos x is 0 when x is pi by 2. Means we can observe that 0 to pi by 2 means less than pi by 2. Less than pi by 2 means x is less than pi by 2. But in case of the cos function, cos is always decreasing function. X value is rising, cos is decreasing. X value is decreasing, cos is increasing. Like that also we can think, right? These are some examples. This is one of the example, depends upon the modulus function. We can come across various types of the functions. How can you apply the modulus of real valued function in definite integrals? That is only in today's video I am going to teach. Are you ready? Yes, now we'll start the different types of questions, right? Yes, look at the question number 1, 2, 3. One by one we can discuss. What are given hint? We can concentrate on the hint. How can you split the given integration in case of modulus of real valued function? Okay, but if I look at the question number 1, what is there? Integral of mod x between the limits minus 1 to 1. What is the function here? Mod x limits are from minus 1 to plus 1. For what value of x this becomes 0? Yes, x is 0, it is a 0. Means indirectly you know that clearly the interval from minus 1 to 1, we have to split at x is equal 0. You know that clearly in between minus 1 to plus 1 there is a 0. There is a 0. That's why you can split this as a sum of two integrations. One is minus 1 to 0 as a mod x plus next 0 to 1. You know this property. Between the a to b there is a c. Integral a to b can split it as a to c plus c to b. Like that we can use one of the property that is there in part 1. You can watch it. Okay. Integral minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, mod x as it is. Now what you can observe that from minus 1 to 0, what you can understand? If the limits are from minus 1 to 0 means what? Less than 0 integral. It is upper limit is 0. This interval is indirectly less than 0. 0 to 1 means it is more than 0 because 0 is a lower limit. At more than 0 mod x is taken as x. Less than 0 mod x is taken as minus x. We have to concentrate which point? At 0 point. Right? Now what we can take here? In this case we can take minus x. Integral minus 1 to 0 minus x dx with plus. For this one plus x. X dx between the limit 0 to 1. You know integration of 1. Integral of x is what? X squared by 2 with minus is there in first interval. Minus x squared by 2 between the limits minus 1 to 0 plus. What is second integration? X squared by 2 integral of x limits from 0 to 1. We can calculate it. By this calculation what you can get? For apply the minus 1 to 0. 0 by 2 is a 0. What is the lower limit here? Minus 1. Minus of minus 1 whole square is how much? Plus 1. 1 by 2 here we can get 1 by 2 plus here also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 value is clearly how much? 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is a 1. You have to concentrate on the application of limits also. Now which option is correct one? It is clearly first option. Right? Now come to the, here we have to split at x is equal 0 only. There is a 0 between minus 1 to plus 1. That is one of the major point. Now can come to the question number 2. What is there? Integral of mod x minus 2 when x is from limits from 0 to 2. Tell me what is the function here? Mod x minus 2. For what value of x it is 0? Yes, x is equals to, it is 0. Already 2 is there here. 2 is there. 0 to 2 there is 2. No need to split further because we need 2 only. From 0 to 2 what you can understand? From 0 to 2 is clearly less than 2. Less than 2 means what? This function becomes negative. That is a minus times of x minus 2. That no negative I am taking outside. Minus times of x minus 2 between the limit 0 to 2. You know that clearly integral of x is what? X square by 2 with minus into x square by 2 minus x square by 2 minus into minus plus x 2x because integral of a constant is what? Integral of 1 is x, therefore 2 into x is 2x. What are the limits? 0 to 2. Clear? Now apply the limits. Here upper limit of 2, lower limit becomes 0. 2 square is 4, 4 by 2 is 2 with minus 2. Plus 2 into 2, 4. This is only contains upper limit. What about lower limit? 0 here also 0. That's the lower limit, it becomes 0. It is minus 2 plus 4 is how much? Plus 2. Which option is correct one? It is clearly second option. Is it clear? At what point you have to concentrate here? At x is equals 2. In between 0 to 2, there is a 2, here 2. In the interval 0 to 2, it means x is less than 2. In case of x is less than a, mod x minus a is what? Minus of x minus a, that is only used here. Minus of x minus a, in place of a there is 2. Then find out integral, then apply the limits. That is only major part you have to do in case of modulus of real valued functions. Clear? I am doing one by one, you can understand gradually. So now come to the question number 3. What is question number 3? Integral of mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 5 between the limits 2 to 5. Here there are two types of functions. X minus 2 is there, x minus 5 is there, and the limits 2 to 5 is there. That's why in this case, both are the two functions, different functions under the addition, make the separation of integrations. Like first integral is 2 to 5 limits, mod x minus 2 as a first integral, plus 2 to 5 limits, mod x minus 5 as a second integral. You know that clearly. 2 to 5 means what? At what point we have to concentrate here? For this one at x is equals 2, we have to concentrate. For this one at x is equal 5, we have to concentrate. X is equals to 2 only, it is 0. That's why we have to concentrate at x is equals to 2. And what are the limits here? 2 to 5. 2 to 5 means what? It is greater than 2 or less than 2? Yes, clearly greater than 2. Greater than 2 means we can take this as a positive. That is x minus 2 only we can take, right? Between the limits 2 to 5. Now come to the next bit. Mod of x minus 5. Next term. Mod of x minus 5. At what point we have to concentrate here? X is equal to 5, have to concentrate. 5 is already there. What are the limits here? 2 to 5. 2 to 5 is less than 5 or more than 5? Yes, exactly less than 5. In case of less than, we can take minus. Minus of 2 to 5 limits of x minus 5. Clear? Yes, just to separate the two functions. For one function you have to concentrate on 2. Another function you can concentrate on 5, because at those 2 points only the modulus of real valued function is defined, right? Now 2 to 5 already have taken here minus. What is integral of x? X square by 2 minus 2x. Now 2 to 5 limits minus of here x square by 2 with minus 5x. Limits from 2 to 5, right? Here we can apply the upper limit, 5 square 25 by 2 minus 10. This is upper limit minus lower limit. 2 square is 4, 4 by 2 is a 2, 2 minus 2 is 4, right? With minus of for this one. Upper limit is 5, 5 square 25 by 2 minus 5 is 25. This is upper limit minus lower limit. 2 square is a 4, 4 by 2 is a 2, minus 5 is 10. Clear? Next, we can make the simplification here. I am taking the separation, 25 by 2 minus 10. Here 2 minus 4 is minus 2, minus or minus plus 2. Here minus 25 by 2, minus or minus plus 25. You know 2 minus 8 is, 2 minus 10 is minus 8, minus or minus plus 8. Plus 8 into minus 8, right? We can observe that here 25 by this one and this one gets cancelled, right? Because one is plus, another is minus. Next, what is left over? 25 plus 2, 27 minus 10, minus 8, minus 18. What is 27 minus 18? Yes, clearly 9. Simplification you can do according to your convenience. But easy way, that also you have to minimize it, because your time is important. Okay, right. Speed with the accuracy is important. 9 we got it. Which option? It is clearly yes, third option. Is it clear now? Now concentrate on the question number 4. What is that? Integral of mod x minus 2021. Integral of mod x minus 2021 between the limits 0 to 2021. Okay. What is the meaning of this is? Modulus of x minus a form is there. What is the formation? Meaning in the sense, what is the formation? Mod x minus a. What is a here? 2021. At 2021 only this becomes 0. Now we can concentrate on the limits. What are the limits? 0 to 2021. 0 to 21 is less than 2021 or more than? Yes, clearly less than. Less than means we can take 100% minus. Therefore, we can take it to minus of integration x minus 2021. This modulus becomes negative within the limit 0 to 2021, right? Now integrate it. Integral of x is x square by 2 with minus x square by 2 with minus into minus plus 2021. Integral of 1 is x. The limits from 0 to 2021, right? Now you can use the limits. What is the upper limit? 2021 with whole square is 2021 square minus of 2021 whole square by 2 plus here 2021 into 2021 is 2021 whole square. This is clearly upper limit. What about lower limit? Here x is there, 0 by some 2 is 0, 2021 at 0 is also 0, means entirely lower limit becomes 0. This is only we got it. Now what is the LCM here? 2 is LCM. Here minus 2021 whole square with plus 2 times of 2021 whole square. Okay, that is clearly how much? 2 minus 1 is 1 times, that means 2021 whole square by 2. 2021 whole square by 2 is our result for the question number 4. Which option? It is clearly second option. Any function you may go, but you have to concentrate at what value of x that function becomes 0. At that point you have to concentrate. That is a major point. Repeatedly I am telling to you. So what is the major point? You have to catch it. Okay, right. Now come to the question number 5. What is that? Modulus of cos x minus sin x between the limit 0 to pi is asking. You know what is the function here? Yes, cos x minus sin x. For what value of x cos x minus sin x becomes 0? Yes, cos x minus sin x is 0 when x is equal to pi by 4. X is equal to pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 how much? 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 0. For what value of x this becomes 0? At x is equal to pi by 4. Is there pi by 4 between the 0 to pi? Yes, clearly there is a pi by 4 between the 0 to pi. We can split it now. That is at pi by 4 we had split. That is 0 to pi by 4 as one function. Mod of cos x minus sin x I am writing as it is first. Plus second function pi by 4 to pi. Right? Why I am taking pi by 4 only? Yes, at pi by 4 only the part becomes 0. That is only our major point. Modulus of cos x minus sin x dx. Now, under modulus of cos x minus sin x may be positive or negative. Depends upon the interval we can choose. What is the first interval? 0 to pi by 4. You have to know one point here. This is mostly useful in trigonometry. That is I am giving here. If x is belongs to 0 to pi by 4, interval 0 to pi by 4, cos x minus sin x always greater than 0. You have to know one point. What is that? First point. If x belongs to 0 to pi by 4, cos x is minus sin x is must be greater than 0. Greater than 0 means what? Mod becomes positive. You know 0 to pi by 4 is belongs to 0 to pi by 4. At pi by 4 both are equal. But cos x minus sin x is greater than 0 when x belongs to closed interval 0 to pi by 4. Now, similarly, if more than pi by 4, like x belongs to pi by 4 to maybe pi whatever, maybe pi or pi by 2 whatever maybe. So, compulsory cos x minus sin x is less than 0. Less than 0 means we can take this is negative because here pi by 4 to pi limits. You have to know this point. Right, that is all I am using here. Cos x minus sin x in this interval greater than 0 means this is positive. We can take 0 to pi by 4 limits. cos x minus sin x as it is positive. But in this case, pi by 4 to pi, cos x minus sin x is less than 0 means this is negative. Means minus times of pi by 4 to pi cos x minus sin x. Right? Now you can use the limits. Integration then limits. What is integral of cos x? Yes, integral of cos x is sin x. Integral of sin x is yes, minus cos x minus or minus plus cos x. Limits from 0 to pi by 4, right? Here same way, minus of sin x with the plus cos x. Limits from pi by 4 to pi. Now use upper limit. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 upper limit minus lower limit. Sin 0, 0. Cos 0 is how much? 1, right? 0 plus 1 is 1. This is for this one. Now can come to the next integral, next part. Sin pi value upper limit. Sin pi value 0 plus cos pi value is minus 1. With the minus of sin pi value how much? Sin pi is 0 but cos pi is minus 1. Now minus of lower limit. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Right? Now this becomes 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 how much? 2 by root 2 we can write root 2 with the minus 1. Now minus into minus plus 1. Minus into minus plus root 2. Right? What happened here? Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. What is the left over? These two gets cancelled. Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. Okay, this is our result. What is the mod of cos x minus sin x from the 0 to pi by 2 value is a 2 root 2. According to the options, which is correct one? Yes. This is clearly third option. Is it clear? Now you can come across some more bits, right? Now look at the question number 6. What is given here? Integral of mod cos pi x by 2 between the limit 0 to 2. As usual, same. For what value of x it becomes 0? If take x is equals to 1, what happened? Yes. Cos pi by 2, clearly 0. Means what? It is becomes 0 when x is equals to 1. Is there a 1 between 0 to 2? Yes, 100% there is a 1 between 0 to 2. Now we can split it as, tell me. So we can split it as two functions. First function is integral mod of cos pi x by 2 between the limit 0 to 1. Right? Plus 1 to 2 now. Mod of cos pi x by 2. Right? Like that we have to split. You know, 0 to 1, if you take the 0 to 1, what happened here? Suppose you can think x is 0, this is cos 0, x is 1, cos pi by 2, cos 0, 0 to cos pi by 2. Means what? That a cos function is from 0 to pi by 2 interval. Indirectly, cos function is from 0 to pi by 2. You know, 0 to pi by 2 means which coordinate? Is clearly first coordinate. Is it clear? If take x is 0, cos 0, x is 1, cos pi by 2 means cos function is varied from 0 to pi by 2 and x is varied from 0 to 1. That is major point you have to concentrate. If x is 0 to 1, cos pi x by 2 is from 0 to pi by 2 function. You know that clearly 0 to pi by 2 is a first coordinate. In first coordinate, every ratio is a positive. Means we can take here positive value. 0 to 1. Positive means simply cos pi x by 2 we can write. Now we can come to this is x is 1 here, cos pi by 2, x is 2, pi into 2 by 2, cos pi. 1 for 1, pi by 2, for 2, pi. Pi by 2 to pi, pi by 2 to pi is which coordinate? Second coordinate. In second coordinate cos is negative, therefore this mod becomes minus 1 to 2 mod of. Mod is becomes negative, already I have taken here. Just we can write cos pi x by 2. Right? What is the integral of cos pi x by 2? You know cos x integral is yes, sin ax by a, that is a in place of a, pi by 2 is there. Sin pi by 2 of x by pi by 2 becomes 2 by pi. Limits 0 to 1. Here also same, 2 by pi of sin pi by 2x. Now apply the limits here 1 to 2. Right? Apply the upper limit here. By apply the upper limit, cos 90, sorry, sin 90. Sin 90 is a 1, therefore this is a 2 by 5 times of 1 minus sin 0 is 0 for this one. 2 by 5 times of, by using the upper limit here, 2 to cancel, sin pi we can get, sin pi is 0 minus x is 1, sin pi by 2 is a 1. Now tell me this answer is 2 by 2 here plus 2 by 2. 2 by 2 plus 2 by 2 is, sorry, 2 by pi plus 2 by pi. 2 by pi plus 2 by pi is 4 by pi. Clear? That is clearly which option? D becomes the fourth option, right? So at what value of x we have to split here? At x is equal to 1, we have to split it here. Clear? Now I can come to the next question, which is given JEE Mains 2014. What this question will concentrate here. To find out this question, what is the given T dot? Integral of under root 1 plus sin square x by 2 minus 4 sin x by 2, 0 to pi. Is given that integral of under root 1 plus sin square x by 2 minus 4 sin x by 2, 0 to pi we have to calculate, which is given JEE Mains 2014. To calculate this function integration, first we have to simplify this function. This one shall I simplify like this? Internal function I am writing 4 sin square x by 2. I am writing first minus 4 sin x by 2 plus 1. This one shall I write as 2 sin x by 2 with minus 1 whole square. You know it is clearly in the form of a minus b whole square. We can write this as 2 sin x by 2 minus 1 whole square. Tell me what is the expansion of this is? A square, that is 2 square 4 sin square x by 2 minus 2ab, 2 2 is 4 sin x by 2 plus b square is 1. Therefore, this is we can write simply 2 sin x by 2 minus 1 whole square. And here there is square root also there. I am writing the square root. Right? Now, what is square root of 2 sin x by 2 minus 1? Tell me. Generally, you can think square root of 4 is 2. But exactly what is that? Square root 4 is plus or minus 2 you have to take. Otherwise, you can use a modulus 4 also. Modulus 2 also. Okay, here indirectly square root of 2 sin x by 2 minus 1 whole square is in the sense mod of 2 sin x by 2 minus 1. Modulus in the sense plus or minus. Don't take simply only positive. You have to take plus or minus, means we can use under modulus. Therefore, this function becomes mod 2 sin x by 2 minus 1. Now we can concentrate integral 0 to pi mod of 2 sin x by 2 minus 1 dx, right? Now we can concentrate on the mod function. You know, for what value of x this becomes 0? Already here 1, 2 sin x by 2, 2 sin x by 2 minus 1 is 0. When 2 sin x by 2 is 1, sin x by 2 is 1 by 2. Sin is 1 by 2 for what? Pi by 6. Indirectly x is what? Pi by 3. Okay, like that also we can calculate. If there is a confusion, to take the directly, for what value of x it becomes 0, we can take the function is 0. From that we can calculate the x value, which is belongs to this or not, we can check it. What is x value? Pi by 3. It is belongs to 0 to pi or not? Yes, it is belongs to 0 to pi, means we can split this function at x is equals to pi by 3, right? First one is 0 to pi by 3 modulus of 2 sin x by 2 minus 1 plus second function pi by 3 to pi, right? That is modulus of 2 sin x by 2 with minus 1. Now we can concentrate which is positive, which is negative. As usual, if you use pi by 0, 0 is sin 0 is 0. It is from minus 1 to pi by 3. For pi by 3 this becomes 0. Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 means what? Less than 0. In case of less than, sign is a negative. In case of less than, sign is a negative. Means we can take it as minus value here. Minus of 2 sin x by 2 with minus 1 dx from 0 to pi by 3. Now we can come to this one. So sin pi by 3, if you x is equal pi by 3 becomes 0, you know very well. at x is equals to pi. Here 0 is equals to pi means what? 2 sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 to 1 is clearly 0 to 1 is clearly positive. In case of the greater than 0, sign is a positive, means this function is positive. That is our 0 to pi by 3 to pi by 3 to pi. 2 sin x by 2 with the minus 1. Okay, now we can find out its integral, then apply the limits. I am doing here. First, what is sin x by 2 integral? 2 is already sin x by 2 integral is as minus cos x by 2 by 1 by 2. That is minus or minus plus will come. 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 is 4. 4 cos x by 2. With minus or minus plus x. In integral 1 is x or not? Now limit 0 to pi by 3 for this integral. Plus 2 sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 integral is minus cos x by 2 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by 2 by 1 by 2 is 4. That is minus 4 cos x by 2 with the minus x. Limits from pi by 3 to pi. Right? Now we can apply the upper limit here. 4 into cos pi by 3 by 2 and pi by 6. 4 cos pi by 3 by 2 means pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 is what? Root 3 by 2 with plus pi by 3. This is upper limit for this one. Now lower limit. 4 into cos 0 is 1. 4 plus 0, 4 only. Right? Be care in case of limit application. Now for this upper limit pi. Cos pi by 2 is a 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Right, minus pi with minus of pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 minus 4 is already there. Cos pi by 3 by 2 means pi by 6, root 3 by 2 with minus pi by 3. That's it. Now we can make the simplification. 2 to cancel, 2 root 3 with the minus plus pi by 3 minus 4. Here minus pi minus or minus plus 2 root 3 with the plus pi by 3. Right? 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 4 root 3 with minus 4. Pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is how much? Pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 with minus pi. Right? Now this is 4 root 3 minus 4. 2 pi by 3 minus pi is how much? Minus pi by minus 2 pi by 3. What is that answer? We'll check it here. Minus 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 minus pi is pi by 6. 2 pi by 120. 120 minus 180 minus 120. Almost 60. Means minus pi by 6. Pi by 3. Right. Which option? Yes. We can calculate it. 2 by the LCM also we can take. What is LCM here? 3 is LCM. 2 pi by 3. 3 minus 2 pi minus 3 pi is minus pi by 3. No need to convert into degrees also. What is the result? 4 root 3 minus 4 minus pi by 3. Which option? It's clearly third option. That's it. Okay. Calculation part is more because the function is we have to convert into the step mod function as well as splitting. Application of integrations. Clear? Number 8, which is given MSET 2018, is integral of mod 4 pi x sin 4 pi x between the limit 0 to 1 by 2. So then this one we have to concentrate. In between the 0 to 1 by 2, there is 1 by 4. At x is equal to 1 by 4, what happened? X is equals to 1 by 4 sin 4 pi into 1 by 4 is 4 pi x. X plus 1 by 4 if you take, this is sin pi. Sin pi is 0 or not? Means what? We can split this function at x is equals to 1 by 4. That is most important point here. Means what? You can split this function as integral 0 to 1 by 4 mod of sine 4 pi x is one function plus 1 by 4 to 1 by 2 mod sine 4 pi x. Yes, both are under modulus. Now we have to concentrate which is first, which is negative. For that, just you have to know one point. What is x value here? X is equals to 1 by 4, 0 to 1 by 4 for first interval. X belongs to 0 to 1 by 4. Now you can observe that sine 4 pi x belongs to, x is 0, this is 0, x is 1 by 4 sine pi. Means what? This interval becomes 0 to pi. Clear? If x is 0, this is 0, x is 1 by 4, 0 means when it is 0, sine pi. Means what? This function becomes 0 to pi becomes 0 to pi. When in the 0 to pi, what is sine function? Yes, sine is 100% positive. First coordinate to second coordinate, sine is positive. Means what? This is positive sign. Now we can consider on the next interval. X belongs to 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. That is sine 4 pi x is clearly it is greater than 0 here. Sine 4 pi x is greater than 0 means you can take it as a positive. Now we can come to this one, belongs to 1 by 4 is set to pi, 1 by 2 into 4 pi x. 4 pi x into 1 by 2 is a 2 pi. Pi to 2 pi. Pi to 2 pi which coordinate? Third coordinate to fourth coordinate. Sign is clearly negative. Okay. Sine 4 pi x is greater than 0 in case of first integral. Sine 4 pi x is less than 0 in case of second integral. Like that you have to choose minus or plus, depends upon the interval. Like this is 0 to 1 by 4. This is clearly positive, means sine of 4 pi x we can take, right? From 1 by 4 to 1 by 2 it becomes negative. I am taking minus of 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. Sine 4 pi x. Now what is sine 4 pi x integral? Yes, minus cos 4 pi x by 4 pi. Here also minus or minus plus we can take cos 4 pi x by 4 pi. Right? Here limits from 0 to 1 by 4. Here limits from 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. Right? Now we can consider on the first integral. Minus 1 by 4 pi I am taking out. First function 4 pi upper limit 4 pi into 1 by 4 is pi. Cos pi value is minus 1. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Cos 0 is 1. Right? Plus 1 by 4 pi is taken out. What is the upper limit? 4 pi into 1 by 2. 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is 1 minus lower limit. Cos 4 pi into 1 by 4, cos pi. Cos pi is what? Minus 1, minus of minus plus 1 here. Therefore, this is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus of minus 1 by 4 is plus 1 by 4 pi. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 by 4 pi is plus 1 by 4 pi, 2 times of. Right? Here also 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 by 4 pi. What is LCM is 4 pi. 2 plus 2 is 4. Therefore, the resultant value is 1 by pi. Right? Simplification we can do, but even though I am doing the total simplification because you have to know what is the final result and what we have to take care, that is also important. So, application of limits also very, very important. Right? Now, what is 1 by pi is our required result. Which option? Yes, is clearly second option. Clear? Now can come forward. Next question. So look at the question number 9. If f of x is given as mod log x by x square, then is asking the integral of f of x between the limits 1 by e to e. This is given in EAMCET 2018. Okay, very simple question. So given the options also, is asking the integral of fx. Fx is what here? Mod log x by x square, and directly we can find out its integral between the limits 1 by e to e, right? Now what this is, for this solution, I am taking the integral of 1 by e to e limits mod log x by x square. Okay, What is a mod function here? Mod function is mod log x. For what value of x log is 0? Yes, x is equals to 1, log is 0, you know very well. So you have to concentrate on mod function. Mod function is here log. Log is 0 for x is equals to 1. You know clearly 1 by e to e. Is there any 1? Between 1 by e to 1, clearly there is a 1 because e value is belongs to 2 to 3. 1 by means more than 2. 1 by e is less than 2. Between the less than 2 and more than 2, there is 1. You know 1 is clearly less than 2 and more than 2. Okay. Between 1 by e to e, there is clearly 1. Means what is this one? You can split it as two integrals. One is 1 by e to 1 mod log x by x square plus second integral 1 to e mod log x by x square. Right? Now you can concentrate in this interval 1 by e to 1, 1 by e to 1, this function is negative or positive. You know log x is log is 0 for x is equals 1. Means what is 1 by e to 1 means? Less than 1 or more than 1? 1 by e to 1 is less than 1. In case of less than, it becomes negative. 1 to e is clearly greater than 1. Then it becomes positive. Now we can take this modulus becomes negative for the first integral 1 by e to 1 log x by x square. Okay, log x by x square. X square shall I write? Log x by x square. X square I am writing. By x square I am writing x power minus 2. Why I am writing like this? To apply the integral. We are using the by parts here. For that I am writing log x 1 by x square as x power minus 2. And this is I set you positive plus here also log x into x power minus 2 between the limits 1 to e. In both the integrals, what is the function here? Log x into x square, x power minus 2. That integral I am finding separately. After that I can replace here. Okay, what is since integral of log x into x power minus 2? You know by parts uv. Okay, what is uv rule? Integral of uv is what? U into integral v dx minus whole integral of u dash into integral v dx whole dx. You know this is by parts, integration by parts formula. I am using this is here. You know log x into u is the log x into x power minus 2 integral. X power minus 2 integral is x power minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1 by minus 1. You know x power n integral is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is what I am using here. U into integral v minus whole integral of u dash means log x derivative is 1 by x. This is as it is because integral of v dx. That is x power minus 1 by minus 1 whole dx, right? X power minus 1 you can add 1 by x with minus log x by x. This is minus into minus plus integral of x power minus 1 by x is x power minus 2. Again it's integral minus log x by x. You know x power minus 2 integral? X power, now all I have written x power minus 1 by minus 1 minus 1 by x. This is integral of log x into x power minus 2. Now for the first function, we can use this one between the limits 1 by e to 1. For the second function also we can use this is, but limits are 1 to e. Here I am substituting. Minus already is there, minus or minus plus will come. Log x by x plus 1 by x between the limits 1 by e to 1. Now here minus is there, minus you can take it as minus of log x by x plus 1 by x between the limits 1 to e, right? Now you can apply the limits carefully. I am doing this is okay. What is first function? Upper limit is a 1, log 1 is 0, 0 by 1 is 0 only, plus 1 by 1 is 1. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Log 1 by e. What is log 1 by e value? Log 1 by e means what? Log e power minus 1. That is minus log e. Right? Log 1 by e is what? log e power minus 1 is minus log e, because we know that log e to the base e. If there is no base means we can take the natural base e. Log e to the base e is the 1. That's why log e value 1 means it is indirectly minus 1. Minus 1 by 1 by e means minus e with the next term plus 1 by 1 by e is plus e. Right? This is about this integral. Now can come to the next integral. E we can substitute. Log e is 1 by e here plus 1 by e. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit 1, log 1 is 0, 0 by something 1 is 0 plus 1 by 1 is 1, right? Now this is 1 minus v plus e cancel. This v is cancelled. Now minus 1 by e plus 1 by e is 2 by e with the minus or minus plus 1, right? Now next step 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 by e. 2 minus 2 by taking the 2 is common, it becomes 1 minus 1 by e. That's it. Here what is given? Log mod log x by x square is given and is asking its integral between the limits 1 by e to e. Is it clear? Simple question, but you have to concentrate on mod function as well as integration. That is important. Is it clear now? So these are the various questions I did on depends upon the modulus of real value function. How can you crack the definite integrals of various types of functions? I did. Okay, I hope so you enjoy this video. If you make sure you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will come with a new topic or maybe same topic with new content. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Bye bye.